Here is the Best Tech Tulip. It is a tiny knife made by knife maker Best Tech in collaboration with Twisted Assisted in the UK. You can get this from James at twistedassisted.co.uk. It's quite a funky little double detent flipper. There are a number of very good reviews on it on the web. By all means, for a longer in-depth uh, content, go and have a watch of one of those. What I wanted to do is kind of a quick buyer's guide to show some close-ups and how functional it is or isn't, and to illustrate its size, its practicality, just to help you understand that this is quite a tiny knife, but it is a funky little knife. And even James himself said he wasn't sure about it at first, but it kind of grew on him. So yeah, it's quite a handy little thing. All the specs are a Google search away. You can read all that stuff up yourself when you're doing your research. It's basically a UK friendly, non locking, legal carry with a very small blade. It's almost box cutter style. In the UK, for legal carry, a knife blade has got to be 3 inches or less. That's 7.62 centimeters. Some knives, although non locking, could be proven in court to have a longer blade than claimed, so I'd be very wary and measure the entire exposed blade length. For me, that has to be from the rearmost part of the handle to the tip of the blade. You've got to measure the entire blade length, not just the cutting edge. It's got to be the furthest distance from the tip to where the blade first starts. If your handle is angled, it's got to be the furthest distance. Otherwise, if they measure that in court and it is longer than 3 inches, there's going to be trouble. It's like a little fidget toy, really, that'll bite you if you're not careful. The blade is 14C28N Sandvik stainless steel, which is a medium hard type steel and has a good edge retention, but is also easy to sharpen. Some of the hardest steels are a lot harder to sharpen. You can also buy a Kydex sheath uh, and a lanyard to hang around your neck. It's on special at the moment, $4.99 plus shipping. So just add it to your cart when you get the Tulip. So just on sizing, here's a comparison. Swiss Army knife. It's the Spartan. I think it's like 9 centimeters long. So you can see in my medium hand, I take a medium glove, what the sizes comparison is. So yeah. Here is a size comparison between the Tulip and some other UK-friendly EDC knives. I hope you found this interesting, and I'll be doing some other videos on some of the others as time allows. Anyway, cheers for now.